All right, if you've been keeping score at home, I'm sure you have, the grand winner tonight is Katie, who, in addition to my secret hot dog and ramen recipe, gets to host this next game titled Typewriter, which will be our closing act for the night.
Alright guys, well, we'll play Typewriter, where Kyle will be writing a story act out by the troupe, and will be accompanied by the musical talents of Perrin. Kyle may use any member of Joyous Chaos, and may make any changes she wants at any point. So, let's hear the next great story to hit the shelves.
A Scary Day by Hal. Once upon a time, there was a woman, slightly furry, and her name was Tammy. She just loved to gallop and twirl a lot. She wasn't quite sure why, but she knows that she did like Mountain Dew. So, she came up to a house. A scary, eerie, oh, too many eerie's, house. It had 4 windows, all of which had cobwebs, and 2 of which had worms. As she looked in, she saw the scary creature. It looked kind of like Caleb. It was Caleb. He had a mustache. No, Caleb doesn't have a mustache. He had a muscle. No. He looked really scary. And all of a sudden, as Tammy was looking, she felt something on her leg, only to find out it was Sarah. Sarah really liked Tammy's shaving cream. It was Cucumber Villain. Unfortunately, she had an allergic reaction, and she died. But thankfully, Caleb knew CPR. And he flipped her over without even telling him. It was beautiful. Wouldn't you know it? Blakely came along just that second and grabbed Tammy and said, "What is happening?" Tammy said, "I'm not sure, but I'm scared, and I think I just tinkled." Thankfully, Nathan came along with a depend. Unfortunately, it was too late. But thankfully, Caleb stopped, and Sarah was still dead. So he ran back into the house to scare all the rest of the people. Sheridan came in at the very last second. Sheridan grabbed Caleb at the very last second. Last second. As she threw him on the ground. She's actually psychic. Thankfully, Wes knew how to deter the psychic powers while throwing Tammy in the air. It worked for a second, but Tim and Kristen came along. They were scared. They saw Sarah dead on the floor. They gave her a little tickle. It did nothing. So, they just decided to go eat gumdrops. Because gumdrops are helpful. No, that's dumb. They gave her a tickle. She woke up magically, and Caleb was so sad that his CPR did not work. Caleb was a bear. decided they would be friends. They held hands. They looked at each other into the eye. Just one, of course,